welcome back to my channel. So we're going to open this up. Bigay pala to sa birthday ng pinsan ko. I'm not going to show you his face, so yung mga face niya hindi ko papakita. Ay, yung ano yung mukha niya. Tignan mo. See? No na. So, madami pa. Yung team pala ay PD Mask. If you don't know. There's a lot in there. Wait lang. So, if you can stay here, please watch it. So, my house is a mess muna. But don't worry, we are going to clean it. So I'm not going to put this all at once because my tummy will. Let's put it there. There we go. Wala na naman. Dabog. Lagay lang natin. So, sabay na natin sa first tararaan. Pagkita-kita niyo. Oh! Nahulog. So, dyan lang sa labas kami birthday. May clown pa, guys. Gagamitin ko to kapag inaaway ako. Ay, kapag natutulog kapatid ko, gagantonin ko. Magagalit yun, alam ko. Pero, wala ko. Ito naman. Sa bubbles. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to play this outside because lalabas pa ako pagkatapos. So, isa lang yung kakainin ko. Ito yung ice cream ba kainin ko or cola or fries. Let me know in the comments. So, hindi ko muna to kakainin because kailangan ko malaman kung alin kainin ko. So, lagay lang natin dito. So, if I see your comments na kakainin ko na, gagawa pa ako ng video. Ito, panto brasa, pero candy. So, you just twist this. Oh. It's yummy. Sarap. I think I will eat this. Wait lang guys. So guys, I think Dad is crying for no reason. Hey, give me that. He's just stole my popping candy. So ito naman kakainin. Popping candy. So potatoes. Oh, it's not popping candy. It's just hear that? I think that's popping candy, yeah. It is popping candy, pero ganito yung itsura.
Ayan.
Do I hear that? It is popping candy. That's popping candy.
Ay, teka lang. Ikaw, ano siya maakat oh. Ano, Mia? Baka niya baba. Baka mahulog ka dyan, dyan tuba. Ano yun? Ito?
Ito, pwede nyo na datahan.
Doon ka.
Ito, hindi ko muna kakain.
Doon ka, baba ka doon.
This one,
Ah, baba. Baba ka doon, baba.
salt it.
Diyan ka ka doon, mamaya ka na bukas.
So guys,
Mamaya ka na na bukas.
it's so hard to open it. I will use my brother's. Yep, it's not going to. Oh, I open it. Ito muna. Ito ata yung laruan. Open. Sige, wait lang. Nasaan yung mga color? Nasaan yung plain? Nahulog pala to. Hindi ko napansin. So this is the toy. I'm not a boy. Yan. Lagay ko lang. Laro na natin. Lagay natin lahat na nagawa natin sa kanya. This is the spoon. Yeah. I'm going to use. this is what it looks like. Yeah, I'm going to throw this away. That's it for the video. Bye. Oh, yeah. I got there's no more account pa pala. Isa lang kasi ayoko naman to. Isa lang yung sabi. Ah,
Pantayin mo pa.
apa. That's my grandfather. Where's the... Oh, there it is. Nah. Not that. I wonder what this tastes like to me. This, ang lit naman. So that's it for the video. Bye-bye.